Good morning, ISM doctors, BAMS, BUMS, BSMS doctors. So today I want to ask many questions for you people. Why you want to make the decision in the KAP Board Act? Why you want to make the decision in the KPME? Are you have the rights to give the birth certificate? Are you have to give the rights to death certificate? Are the police have the rights to complaint against you people? Many more questions are there I want to ask. And whenever there are the authorities visiting your clinic, what should be the questions and how you have to give the answer? So this is called legal awareness. You won't get in the syllabus. You determined teach it by anybody. So we have the experience because working this field for the 20 years. So we come across the many answer for this legal questions. So for this we are conducting a legal awareness on 1/9/2024 Udupi Krishnam Hotel near to Dodakala Sandra. Please come and join. This legal awareness session is organized by the Pushpam Ayurveda Wellness Center, JP Nagar, Bengaluru. Dear doctors, please come and join and have the legal knowledge, safeguard yourself and also respect to the system. With this note, we are waiting for the you people in the Udupi Krishnam Hotel tomorrow by 1 o'clock. Thank you one and all. Dr. Rajshekhar Bosnur Mutt, Chairman, Pushpam Ayurveda Wellness Center, Principal, Hillside Ayurveda Medical College, Director, Swami Hospital, and many more things are there. Please come, join us. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind. Namaste.